Hey guys, welcome to another episode of our home cooking series. So again, why I'm saying that it is our because this home cooking series will not only involve me, but it will involve also you. So if ever you are the person who likes to do home cooking, who advocates or campaign about home cooking, or you want to learn about cooking, or if ever you have some home recipes that you want to share, this might be the venue for you. Okay, before I proceed, I would like to thank you for all the positive response I've got from the previous video. Thank you so much, and hopefully, please do encourage and give your comments or suggestions so that I can make this better. Okay, the person who will be sharing his recipe for today is the person behind Cebu Cooking from Home. So that page is like advocating also home cooking in which for people here in Cebu. This is the page I usually look into if ever wala na ko'y mahuna-hunaan kung unsa akong look. This guy is like a batchmate from high school, from Abiliana National School. So shout out sa talang Abiliana. And he also owns a few restaurants here in Cebu. Lenmar Gonzalez. Hi Len, good evening or good day.
Hi, good evening, Doc. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay lang. Nagyan po sa balay.
Like close to mo restaurants no or do you offer delivery karon?
March 27 nag-close me for need to provide safety sa akong staff and also sa customers. Hopefully by after May 15 so ma-lift ang ECQ then and if ever transfer will be back. So pretty sure mo balik me kay daghan na nangita, daghan na nag-message sa page.
Di nato dayon. So, kung sa nga recipe imong gusto i-share na mo tonight?
Well, so first is I would like to say thank you to Doc Save for inviting me tonight or today. Then,
yes, very much welcome.
Actually, kaning na recipe is this is very ideal sa taning hiling ng Netflix o hiling mag-chill lang sa balay o solo. Pwede ba solo? Tapos dagan kay ganahan ng mga unli wings. So,
yes, mo ginagimensyon lang sa hamurag. Wala na tingali sa unli wings no or buffet inigbalik karon kay murag.
Wala pa kay social distancing. So
magbuhat na taga to ang wings.
Magbuhat taga to sa balay. This would take like less than 10 minutes lang. So,
wow.
One is very easy, simple yet delicious kay salami sir. I need to like heat up my pan first. We are making honey glazed wings, fried wings with grated cheese on top. So the ingredients is first is we have here chicken wings. So this chicken wings simmer this in water and garlic. Boil it in the water for 10 to 15 minutes with garlic para siya ma-juicy ang iyang sulod kay mo sa liquid at the same time much lesser ang imong pag-fry sa chicken. Minutes okay lang.
Mga 10 minutes lang.
You don't need to boil it kay para dili kay sa murag mo mabungkag. So I will show you how to cut. First is imo sa siyang i-cut before nimo siya simmer. So here so there are three parts of a chicken. This is the drumette or the lollipop. Okay. This one is the wing, and then last is the tip. So first is here we slice on the drumette. At the same time, we slice on the
okay.
And the wing. Para ni siya ka ingredient pag season na niya.
Okay.
Since na si garlic ganiya, we put patis or fish sauce. Like 2 tablespoon lang.
Atong manok di ay usa na siya kadaghan na.
This is almost a kilo.
So almost a kilo then 2 tablespoon of patis.
2 tablespoon of patis lang. Anyway, i-coat mo ni siya na to later. And 2 squeeze of calamansi.
Okay. So I would like to emphasize again kay mo Cebuano changeably used. So when you say patis, this patis is the fish sauce good, dili soy sauce.
So mix lang. The fish sauce is already a bit salty. Now before we sauce, let's fry this first. How to the oil is hot already. So ako is not a stick. Na
Oh, okay.
stick ato i-check kung mo-boil gani siya tanawa, nim-boil. Nim-boil siya, meaning this is all fry the wings. Sige, simmer na to sa water with the and calamansi. Garlic ganiya ato sa ni siya fry. Kaya mo na ito sago sa tong sauce. This regular vegetable oil or canola oil lang.
Just in case ba, like, para makatipid, ang kana siya
Okay, sir. Yeah.
kapila na to pwede magamit man after using it over it's fresh.
Basta di lang siya mo kuan, basta di lang siya mo masagol of seafood or fish tayo siguro. As long as dili lang ka sa heavy season na meat kay
Okay mo.
mo na sa oil. We are waiting for the chicken wings to be cooked. Ako din gi-invite ang tanan. FB, it's a group who cooking from home. Ako na siyang gi-create just to inspire or to how to cook with the help of yung mga Cebuano, mga creative kayo niya, mga mayo kay mga luto ba. So I invite mix ni siya ha, dili ang uban ko mauwaw sila nganon ningon sila di kay sila mo kuan kay simple lang dish. So aton is to inspire lang, mas ganahan na ko kanang sa una dili gid mo touch og even knife or even mahadlok yun sa kitchen, then karon nag-post na for the first time nagaluto. So anyway, sa ato ani kay since honey glaze walay honey ba, pangitao ng honey. So the alternative for honey is brown sugar plus water, so equal parts. So equal parts of brown sugar, 1:1, like 1 cup of brown sugar. Imo lang siya itang sa pan. Imo turn on ang heat hatod ma-dissolve ang sugar. Ipa-tone down lang ang iyang kuan hatod mo stick guys, sticky.
Mustiki na siya. Yeah, dissolve pa yun.
I-dissolve pa nimo, or you can like add in a little cornstarch.
Cornstarch to.
Either, batayin ninyo ang garlic para dili sa masunog. This would 5 minutes to 6 minutes each. Talangin mo lang pagpa-brown lang. So, tungod sa daning ECQ, nakahimog gulingo na hot sauce.
Wow. So, okay to share sa mong hot sauce.
This is a labuyo. Labuyo.
Labuyo. Ano sa pwede mo sa labuyo?
Vinegar, garlic, and then a little sugar, and it's close to sriracha lang. Ang difference lang niya is ang chili. Kay usay mo pa kag 1/4 daghan kayo. Kay ang ato ang sauce to i-mix.
Yeah.
This is a honey
ano na to,
and this is half a cup like spoons of soy sauce.
Okay.
2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup na atong i-fry. This is the honey. We put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of
kind of spicy, pwede lang bilhin.
You can then just mix this one. Usually I use a whisk, pero pwede ra spoon or kuan. Ang color is deep. Nasa murasig ka ng Korean wing.
Yeah.
Ato ang garlic here. Katong i-cook. Demon, let's chop this one. Mince lang, mince. Put it on the nasa roasted garlic flavor. I mean, fried, not toasted. Pag simmerings, and then tagolin na to sa sauce. So let's check our wings. As you can see, ang brown na gini siya. Pwede din mo ni siya nasa alternative kung di ka ganag wet ra kayo, you can steam instead of simmer. The wings are already cooked.
Asa ba yung restaurant sa Galilen?
Sisig Teriyaki main branch is in Pidi Rosario, across San Carlos, Maine. San Carlos, Maine, at Bangsa San Carlos, Maine. Kani-ganing the Palawan. Branch which is a takeout corner across Sacred Heart Hospital sa Southwestern. And hopefully the third will be the virtual kitchen.
Kitchen na. Okay.
You can see luto na to golden brown. We mix this with the parts siya para sa uba di siya di na gana glazed ba. So yeah, ang isa is just a plain. So this one we'll do the plating. We'll put first the glazed
Mm-hmm.
chicken. So sa twist na to is we on top.
Wow. Magkalami na ba na?
Yung remaining is here. First, we garnish it. We garnish it with any chips you have. Actually, fries tani siya pero mas
Lagi,
dami ang
chips na.
chips. So,
Agi, parang huwag na sa ka-oily.
on this one, akong gigamit is G-Cut and Piatos. Wife's favorite na flavor. So, then ketchup.
Oh,
So, ketchup.
banana
So,
ketchup.
banana ketchup. This is the dish.
Wow, we're done na.
Homey wings with honey glazed cheese on top. And
So that's it, guys. So for here, this series will be simple recipes lang yun. So when you simple recipes, dali lutoon o dali ra sa jud makita ng ingredients. So anyway, Mark, final messages ni mo?
so, thanks for inviting Doc Save. So, I'd like to encourage everyone to stay at home and cook more with your family.
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much lang for sharing that recipe. As in, like, we're gonna check ko mukha og manok ron. Atin, I've been craving for some Anli wings for quite some time. Kay tungod aning ECQ. So if ever dili ta ka Anli wings, let's just make it at home. So again, thank you so much, guys, for watching and for giving your time. And thank you also for giving again your comments and your suggestions. And if ever you have further comments or suggestions, if ever you want to suggest a recipe that we would like to cook, or if ever you would suggest a person na sharing a recipe, please do message or tag them below. So again, for this ECQ, please continue to cook at home, eat healthy food, stay healthy, and stay at home. And also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. It's The Dentist is Out. And follow me in all my social media accounts and Facebook, in Instagram, and in Twitter. It would be at DokiSave. So that would be DOOKIEXAVE. That's it. Thank you so much. Again, stay home and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye.